Hello, this is TTC, or Telltale Computers. I'm your host, Charlie. Today, I'm fix my keypad on this mini Dell computer. Paid $10 for it, and yeah, I paid $10 for the adapter, and it works just fine. Only problem is the keypad doesn't work. Touchpad works, touchscreen works. So, let's see what happens. First, we gotta take all the screws on the bottom of the tray out first. Be careful not to lose them. Luckily, they seem to be roughly the same size, so misplacing which screw goes where shouldn't be a problem until you get farther inside of it. Then it might be a little more difficult. This laptop has 4 gigs of RAM, 500 gig hard drive, Windows 10. Is a 13-inch, no, 11.1 inch, I think it is, laptop. Well, I call it like a netbook because that's what it reminds me of, being how small it is. Granted, netbooks are probably a little bit smaller than this, but you get the idea. So, after you remove all the nice screws from the bottom, use my chain flathead here and pop this off. No. Might have to attach it to a screwdriver base first, huh? Gently pry all the way around because you don't want to break these push tabs. So, if you can't use a flathead if you want to, you might damage the bezel a little bit, but it seems kind of beat up as it is. I'm not too worried about it. There we go. Bam. Voila. Okay. So off to the side. Now, first things first is to move the battery. So, there's only one screw on the bottom here, and one screw on the top. By removing those two screws, you get the battery out, which just slowly pries off. And there's one more screw, because I'm slow. So, 2 screws on the bottom, 1 screw on top, and voila, battery's out of the way. Now, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. I do apologize if I mess something up later. Hopefully nothing severe, so this should be a good learning experience for everybody. So next up, we remove the hard drive. I think that's the only screw here. Jig this around a little bit. Nope, one more left. Hit underneath this ribbon cable here. Well, not really a ribbon, but you get the idea. Sensor. Maybe. Because later I'll be taking the 500 gig hard drive out again and replacing this with an SSD drive. And there we have it. Hard drive's out. Now for the fun part. Trying to figure how to detach the keyboard. Because if you look here, there is nothing like your normal laptop that shows any signs popping out the actual keyboard tray like you would on normal laptops. So, judging by the wires here, so we have to disconnect here's the keyboard right here. So okay, so this pulls out instead of pops up. Huh. Now I know why it doesn't work for us. For some reason, it has a black spot right here. Doesn't like be ink or anything either, so I don't know. We'll clean it up later and see if that might, because I don't think that interrupt the other thing. Give me a keypad. I don't know if you guys can see this too well, but I'll give you a closer view here. If you look right here, there's a mark right there. And there's also a mark right here. Right there, by the way. So, don't know what that is. So, I'm not really too worried about it because on the new one, it doesn't have that same feature. So, this should be alright, figuratively speaking. So, let's have this board here with the wireless card on it. You got a couple of screws that comes out. You got a fun suspicion you gotta move all this stuff just to get to the keypad. Because the keypad, the new one, only has holes for 2 screws. So, disconnect this wire here very gently so you don't rip it out. And might as well pop these off too while I'm at it. Since this is nice too because they're all color coded. So you got the black wireless cable goes right here with the black arrows. My camera will focus. Focus. There. So you got the black here and white. So it's pretty straightforward how I put this back on. So now I move the main board. So disconnect the speaker. Hopefully I'm not breaking a nail. So that's disconnected. Now look for any slight screws. So hopefully I don't have to worry about too much. Nope, there's 2 screws. Yay! Actually 3, but that's no big deal. So, and I'm putting the screws based on the position that I took them out at. So, like main board screws I'll put here. Daughter board screws I'll put here. Just to keep an idea where everything goes. So this bracket comes loose, I think. Maybe. Yep. I'm pretty sure this is part of the monitor. I'll leave that on for now because I'm not sure if I need to take that off or not. So, take this goofy looking flat screw out. So, if I disconnect any more cables here, make sure this is all up. So far, so good. Yep, okay, so everything lifts up. Let's disconnect it. Unstuck. Now to get this wire off. And one more cable here. Hope I don't break a nail in the process. Bam. I should be able to. Oh, sure, there's another one. That should be fine. It's not too much in the way. So now we have access to everything now. So as I'm looking around, okay, that's a weak aluminum piece. Kind of don't want to tear this off, but I think that's the only way I'm gonna get this thing off. Don't want to mess up the charging port. Put that there. And only for any screws, I don't see any, so. And that's probably why. Let's have to rivet it in. Oh, fiddlesticks. So, unfortunately, I gotta move this last piece here, which is a ribbon cable. Would you pop up, please? Bam. Okay, here's the motherboard. Put it off to the side here. Now it's a little bit more room here. I think I moved these joints. So okay, there's nothing that causes any problem with them. Maybe it does. Yeah, leave that on. I hate this. Okay, so I can cut the film all the way off then. Sweet. There's that off. Now, by the looks of it, I'm gonna pry this keyboard out. So, move this out of the way here. It won't break anything, so, but looks like I have to. Just because they had to rivet everything with glue. Oh, let's just get a keyboard out. Jesus Christ. Broke one piece off this already. Oh well. Break my screwdriver in the process too. I'll bend this back as best I can later when I'm done. So, don't have to worry about that. There's that. There's that. Well, first I gotta move the speaker out of my way. There's that. Here's one of those pieces of tape. There's that. Okay, now I'll try to figure out how to get this keyboard out now. Looks like a couple of push stabs, I think. No, it's also plastic riveted into the thing too. There we have it. It's out. Now for the new one. So just gotta make sure. Okay, now I figure out which way. So, get in here, don't I? Why can't I make this easier? I think next time I'm just gonna get the whole base instead. Ah, aluminum sucks. I guess in any case, I mean, it is what it is now. Alright. Well, folks, this will be a fun time. Hopefully the motherboard and the rest of the case can hold this shit together. Hopefully. Well, we'll find out. Trying to get this thing in the hole. I am not enjoying this. I should use a wireless keyboard instead and such screw it all. But I'd rather learn how to fix something or attempt to fix something. Come on, I get a little fucking coast. It does go right there. Yeah, finally got that in place now. Alright. Put this wire back through. Actually, not before I put this on. Lift up. There we go. Bam. So, I guess I wonder how a Dell technician will put this back together. Honestly speaking. I'm not like losing my head here. Oh, that's why. That makes sense why I see it in. Bam. Yeah, at least I have the speakers in. I mean, that's a positive influence on this put together section. Got this tape. This is the time I wish I had some duct tape on me. But unfortunately, I don't have any. I have tons of electrician tape though. So I might just use that instead. Let's see here. Well, at least the plus side is just getting the trackpad out looks easier. You know, who would know the damn keyboard on a little laptop like this would be so difficult? Come on. There we go. There's that part. Alright. There's that piece of tape back on. Okay. Now we get somewhere-ish. Put this black matte piece back on. So, now for the board. I'm still a fan of that. It's really cool. There's that. Put this over here again. Now, if I get too carried away, I'm gonna need this. There's my water bottle. Definitely had that one on. Oh well. Well, first things first, I'm gonna get those hinges on real quick. Realign this real quick. The hardest thing sometimes with these tiny little things is getting the wires just where you need them to go. There we go. Getting somewhere, I think. Balance this stupid thing out again. There's that piece of aluminum. There's that piece. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Alright, first screw goes back in. Now I get the other side ready. There's that. Second screw. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Slowly but surely, anyways. So I got that backwards. So I assume it goes like this. Yep, that makes sense. Alright. Move the power adapter out of the way again. Now for the motherboard. I get a funky little screw here. Oops. Wrong screwdriver. Bam. Alrighty. If this works out that I'm done with all this crap, I'll be astounded. Just saying. I'd be astounded. Now, if I go any further here, make sure I don't block off any screws. So, that gets a screw. Yep. Yeah, how much I'm sweating trying to get this done. Alright, hook up the power adapter. Speaker number 1. Yay! That's bad. That's another cricket. Another thing with these Redmond cables, you gotta make sure they're even. If not, they don't want to work for you. So make sure you always put those in evenly. Now, for the fun part. Now for replacement, you'd think they had this pre-bent already for this. Come on, get no. So you know. Ah. Didn't take. That's really, yeah, when I thought it was working, this keyboard didn't work for this computer. I'm like a little bit upset. I had to think of it. Should do this. It had to be facing this way, so. This is taking longer than I thought. Now, if I'm making a knockoff keyboard, they at least thought something through before they did it. I mean, jeez. There. Now plug in the monitor. And now for the touch screen part of it. There it slides right in. Sweet. There's that. Screw this little bracket in. B. Well, almost there. Okay, front roll grip it. I wonder. Make sure here. No, it has to be this one. Got the Wi-Fi cables. So I always hate doing these two. These things are always a pain in the ass. What's that on there? Okay, I'm gonna do it the easier way. One. Almost have the other one on. Yay! Yeah, the F on. I found especially another one of these, and it didn't come with the board for that side. So yeah, go us, right? Anyway, just hit the layout one more time. Now let's see, I'm missing the battery. And the speaker. So I'll do the speaker first. Bam. That's in there. Now all we need is the hard drive, the battery, and one more missing screw. This is so awkward. I'm forgetting something. No, I'm not. Thought it was. I think I am now. Yeah, shit. It's probably for the hard drive. So. So flimsy. Now I get the hard drive in here. Okay. Gotta take this one out. Again. There we go. Bam. Yeah, the man at the hard drive is fighting my screwdriver. Bam! Hard drive's on there. Yay! I'm gonna take the cables. Then this one is. Oh, this was underneath the motherboard. Well, shit face. Getting this for now, so fuck it. Now I put the front screws in. And I forget one, but I don't care. I'd be happy the thing works. Can't really tell me it's an hour just to get this thing back together. Jesus Christ. So it's all fun and games, man. It does take forever sometimes to get something taken apart and put back together. These desktops are easy. Laptops are a pain in the ass. Well, some of them are. Some laptops I worked on, like HPs and stuff, and Acers, they're pretty simple. But man, this Dell really pissed me off. So, that's true. I'm gonna see if it works. Power! Screen! No, this scares the keyboard works. Yeah, I named it Mini. It's a mini laptop, so it fits. But yeah, once I replaced the hard drive with my solid state drive, it still work a lot faster. But for now, it is what it is. The processor is, I do believe, it's a Celeron N3040, if I'm not mistaken. So dual core low clock processor. I think it's 12 watts. So it's not too bad. That's good. It's very early in the morning. I've been up all night. So far, maybe? I don't know. No one is possible. Let's get one of these boards by themselves and make like a little mini PC that you guys stick anywhere. That'd be kind of cool. That adapter still plugged in. I think it is. I see the mouse. They're up to not responding. Figures. There we go. This hard drive's really slow. And the process doesn't help much either, but it is what it is. I mean, $10 for the system, 18 for the keyboard, and yeah, so about $40 for a low-end laptop. And it works. Yay! Anyways, well, this concludes the repair of this laptop. Once I figure out exactly what the model is, I'll post that in the title in the comments. Not comments, but the description. So, there's note that there's double as a tablet too, so it's kind of cool. Don't know if Becky can tell me much about it, but we're going to find out. So this model 0C2JCP for the motherboard. So if that helps you guys out any, I don't know. There's not really much on the keyboard to tell me much about it either. So yeah. So oh, sorry. This is a Celeron N2840. Sorry, I was close. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. You take it easy. Peace.